Hello everyone, this is Reggie Dawson for the Building Apps with Intel XDK and Parse course for Tuts Plus. In this video, we're going to talk about what Parse is and what we can use it for. We will also sign up with Parse, create our first app, and explore the Parse dashboard. Parse helps you build the perfect app by offering push notifications, analytics, and core services. Parse allows you to access its services from mobile devices, desktops and web, and even IoT devices. The part we will be using for the course is the Core Services cloud-based database. We can store our data securely without configuring a server or a database. Parse also allows you to store other file types such as pictures besides your data, which is stored as JSON. Parse also supports third-party logins through social networks with little effort. This allows you to easily add authentication to your apps. Parse also includes something called Cloud Code, which allows you to run code in the cloud as opposed to running on the device or computer. Cloud Code is available to all platforms and allows you to perform computations in the cloud. This also has the advantage of any update to your cloud code being available to all platforms. I could go on for days about the features offered by Parse. Instead, we can head over to parse.com and sign up for an account. Parse allows you to try everything for free with some very generous usage limits. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to your dashboard. There you will be prompted to create an app if you haven't already created one. You can also create additional apps here as well. If I select an app, I can look at the different services that are in use for that app. The default service that comes up is Analytics. Analytics will give you info on your audience, events, data, performance, and other metrics. We can also access push notifications if we have them configured, as well as our documentation. Parse includes some generous documentation for the multiple platforms it supports. Also check out the quick starts and tutorials, as it will help you get up to speed with the powerful features of Parse quickly. In the settings, we have general info about our app, application keys, the configuration for push notifications, user authentication settings, and more. The core area of the dashboard is where our data is. We have the ability to delete data from the dashboard as well as edit the data. We can also access our cloud code, our logs, our app configuration, an API console, and more from the core area. If you highlight your username, you can access your account. Here you can see an overview of the configuration of your app, add a credit card, look at billing statements, as well as access your app keys. As you can see, as long as I stay under my limits of 30 requests a second, I will not be charged. Highlight your username and click on Dashboard. From here, let's create a new app and call it Magazine App. Once we have our app created, click on it to go to the app. Go to the core services and you will have a prompt to add a class. This is optional, as Parse will lazily create a class the first time you try to save an object if the class does not already exist. Let's add a class. We're going to call our class Article. That's all we need to set up our class. We'll add the keys and values later when we save some data to Parse. That's everything we need to set up our app to accept data and serve as our backend to our app. Now we need a way to save our data to Parse. In the next video, we're going to start setting up our add delete page.